Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about integral test. So we need to have the integral from number 1 to positive infinity, and we have the s over s multiplied by the cube root of s. So for this one, we can change by the limit. That is about a approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from number 1 to a. So this one, we have s to the power of 1 over 3. And this one, we have the power of number 1. So 1 plus 1 over 3. And we have 4 over 3. And if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put about s to the power of negative number 4 over 3, the negative sign on the power in here. And now we have the formula in here. That is about the integration s to the power of n ds equals to s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, and that should be like this. Now we need to put the bounds from number 1 to 8. So we put a and number 1 cone here. So this one we have negative 1 over 3. This one we have negative 1 over 3. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative 1 over 3. So because we have the negative sign on the power, so I will put about 1 over negative 1 over 3 a to the power of 1 over 3. So when a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to negative infinity because we have the negative sign in here. 1 divided by negative infinity, you got 0. And now we just have only this one. And this one we have positive number 3. Because we just calculate exact the value. So this one, that is about convergent. So the series in here should be about convergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.